Hey guys, hope you're good, hope you're fine. This is ID's Couture and ID. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to sew this ruched drawstring dress on my thumbnail. I already dropped a video on how to cut it. If you haven't watched that video, you would have to watch that video first so you'll be able to understand what we'll be doing in this video. Right now, I've already joined, like folded in this upper part and this lower part. I've folded them in. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to fold this in, all right, and sew to attach it to the fabric. Do the same thing for this side. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing next. Ciao ciao. Remember, it's the left hand side. So we are going to make sure that this end goes to this side. Okay, goes together with the notch. All right, we would make sure it's straight, and this goes together with the notch, and then we sew it down, and then we sew this down. Now we're not going to start from exactly here, because remember that this is going to be folded. All right, so we're going to step down when we want to attach this. Okay guys, so right now I've attached it. Okay, this is how it is. This is the back, or the wrong side. I'm going to show you what the front side looks like. Now this is the front side. You're obviously not going to see anything because we used similar color thread. So but let me just come close a bit. Yeah, so you can see the stitches. Now that's it. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is to sew across the center, just the center. Okay, we're going to sew across the center, attaching this attached fabric to the main dress. Okay guys, so I'm done stitching the center like I talked about earlier. Okay, I've stitched the center. Okay, and I've joined my long strip. This strip, when folded into two, it's by length of 30 inches. Like I said, I was going to leave it at. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn this strip right side out and then fix it in here. So I'm making use of a broomstick, a strong one actually, to push it out. Now I'm taking off the right side out of the wrong side. So after we're done doing that, with the help of our safety pins, we're going to be fixing a safety pin to one end of our strip. We're going to put it into the opening, this side of the opening, and take it all the way up. And then we're going to take it all the way down through the other opening too. So this is what the front side looks like after we're done. Okay, so we're going to attach it to the back side, put our neck, put our sleeves, and we're done with this beautiful dress. This is what our dress looks like after we are done. I use the same method to make this beautiful white shirt dress. Yes, you can also share whatever it is you were able to make with the help of this video with me on Instagram. Remember to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.